Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Zimbabwean socialite Jackie Ngarandier is sharing her road journey from deeper grief to faith after losing both of her brothers in consecutive years. In a heartfelt reflection, Ngarandier revealed how 2023 became her darkest season, but also the year that changed the relationship with God forever. Ngarandier said the consecutive loss of her brothers left her broken in ways that she cannot explain. In 2023, I was drowning in grief, depression, and loss. I cried until I had no tears left, she wrote. The pain was so heavy she stepped away from social media for a full year. I hid myself from the world because the pain was too heavy to carry in public, she said. Every day felt like a battle. Even while driving, tears would flow. During that season of isolation, Ngarandier said that God became an anchor. Her prayers are shifted from routine to survival. In my prayers, I asked God for strength, clarity, and purpose. I prayed, Lord, hide me, bring me out when the storm has passed. She says that year changed her completely. Jackie Ngarandier now has a message for others hurting. To anyone battling grief, loss, depression, or heartbreak, time heals. God restores, and storms do not last forever. Don't let anyone tell you how to mourn or how long to grieve. Healing is personal. Trust God through the process, and when the storm has passed, you will come out stronger than before. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.